Hello guys, this is me Medina, and today I will show you how to create a reptile nail art design. This look is bold, edgy, and just perfect for Halloween, so let's get started. So I have already done my nail extensions using gel tips, so if you're interested in seeing how I did that, make sure to check out my previous videos where I go through the entire process step by step. Now I'm painting my nails with black gel polish. I love using black as a base because it really makes the chrome powder stand out. As I apply the polish, I'm using an orange stick to remove any imperfections or black polish that might have gotten into my skin or cuticles. Here I already applied 2 layers of polish, curing each layer under the UV lamp for 1 minute. Then I'm applying a gel top coat. I do an even layer over all my nails and curing it under the lamp. This step prepares the surface for the chrome powder we will be using next. And now comes the fun part, chrome nail powders. I have 5 different shades. Each powder has a unique shine and a color shift, which I think is perfect for creating that multi-dimensional reptile skin effect. I'm using my ring finger to gently buff the chrome powders into the cured top coat. The key is to apply firm but gentle pressure to ensure the powder adheres evenly and creates a smooth reflective surface. I'm using a fluffy brush to remove any excess powder, and I also clean my finger with rubbing alcohol between colors to avoid any cross-contaminations. Each nail gets a different shade of powder, which adds to the reptile-inspired look. Who else loves watching this process? I find it really satisfying. Comment down below if you agree with me. Now we have our final seconds to enjoy our reflective and shiny powders, because next I'm gonna apply a matte top coat. This will transform the reflective powder into a velvety and matte texture that mimics better the look of reptile skin. Not gonna lie, but I also like this matte look. Do you prefer matte or glossy? Next, I'm using a cotton pad soaked in rubbing alcohol to clean any excess powder that might have stuck to my skin or cuticles. This step ensures the design looks clean, polished, and without any stray glitter or powder around my nails. So next, I'm taking my palette and adding quite a generous drop of my thick top coat. This particular top coat used to be quite watery and runny, but over time it thickened and now it's actually perfect for this kind of designs. So if you have any old base coat or top coat, don't throw it away, because it might come in handy later on. I also have a short thin brush ready for the detailing. Here I'm drawing vertical lines down the nail. I'm making the lines slightly thicker to give a more dramatic effect and to ensure they stand out against the matte background. To add even more detail, I'm placing small dots along the sides of the lines. These dots help break up the lines and add a more realistic scaled look. I am repeating the steps on each nail and ensuring that they look similar to each other. So once I'm happy with the pattern, I cure them under the lamp to make sure everything is set and secure. The final touch is to apply nail oil to my cuticles. It keeps the skin hydrated and helps maintain the health of your nails. Plus, it gives the manicure a polished and finished look. And our reptile nail art is complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a future upload. Thank you for watching, and bye bye!